Hello everyone. Now this is going to be an important video for all of you who are preparing for the CAT examination and are looking forward for joining an MBA after completion of your CAT exam. Now a lot of you have a dilemma in your mind that how would you arrange the fees for the given school and the college. But believe me one thing, this video will help you out to make some better decision with respect to not looking at the overall fees which the IIMs will charge, but they have a lot of merit-based scholarships which are available in each of the college that you are aspiring to go. And every year, let's say around 17 to 20 students across any of the individual IIMs offer almost 100% fees waive off. Almost 40 to 50 students offer partial fees waive off of the total fees what the IIMs will charge you. All what you need to do, you need to be aware of all the scholarships which are available at the IIMs. This video is end-to-end solution. There's not the end-to-end solution to be precise because it's difficult to cover all the possible scholarships. But what you can do, I have given you some of the important scholarships which are available at IIM Ahmedabad in Bangalore. You can look forward for other colleges and the scholarship on their website also. So the first scholarship is the IIM Ahmedabad need-based scholarship. So technically this is something which is being offered by school, let's say IIM Ahmedabad College. If your annual gross salary is less than 15 lakhs per annum, then you can apply for the need-based scholarship. Let's say the need-based scholarship that you are applying for is like, let's say 6 lakhs. But the college evaluates looking forward for your case. The college can waive off only 4 lakhs and 4 lakhs will be waived off from the entire fees which you will be paying to IIM Ahmedabad here. Whether you're taking education loan, whether you're paying by yourself or some other means, you will get all the possible details once your profile has been evaluated by the IIMs. Now the second scholarship that you can see is basically SC and ST. This is only and only for category students. Which is who are coming from SC and ST background. You will see something which is called as IIM Ahmedabad Exit Scholarship for Entrepreneurship Students. This is an amazing program for people who are looking forward for entrepreneurial stint. Now, if you're opting out of the placement of the IIM Ahmedabad, the college will also give you a stipend of 30,000 per month. This is for a period of 3 years after completion of your MBA, which means in all you will get almost more than 10 lakhs which you can possibly keep with yourself. You can repay your education loan or invest into the startup which you are maintaining. Next is Government of India Merit Cum Scholarship. Now this is again one of the scholarship where you can also where you can actually look forward for 100% fees waive off of IIM Ahmedabad. This is for people whose annual family gross salary is less than 2.5 lakhs per annum. Now again, this is as said, this is a need-based scholarship which you would get. So be it for people who are coming with disability, be it for people who want to have entrepreneurship stint after completion of MBA, whether you're from caste category students, all these things will be a benefit for you once you join these business schools. On the meritorious level, you will see Peri Vishwanath Scholarship, which has been offered by IIM Ahmedabad. This is for people who are maintaining good academic records. Fees, let's say amount in the range of 2 to 4 lakhs will over a period of 2 years will be given to students who are maintaining decent academic records. Same is the case with Shri GC Mittal Entrepreneurship Aid. This is also awarded only for one student, as you can see here, who want to start their own venture. A sum of 2 lakhs will be given, and this is applicable for both the PGP and FABM, both the students here. Going ahead, you'll see a lot of other business schools, which is IIM Bangalore also offering you almost a range of around 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs scholarship. You'll see OP Jindal Engineering and Management Scholarship. As said, it's going to be on the merit of your academic performance. They will take an online screening test and your personal interview. So it's 1.5 lakhs which you will get per annum for the period of 2 years. You can waive off 3 lakhs easily, very easily. You also have got Yes Bank Scholarship, which is for 2 lakhs. You will have Ministry of Tribal Affairs, which covers tuition fees expenses in full, which is 100% fee will be waived off. You have got something called as Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment Scholarship at IIM Bangalore, which also covers total expense of the tuition fees, 100% waive off. So basically all what you are paying is basically for your hostel, mess and the library charges. Then a lot of other schools which you can look into, whether it is Calcutta, Lucknow, Kozhikode, Indore, all of them have this kind of a scholarship program. Every school, what I have observed in the last 5 years, every school in the range of around 17 to 20 students of the total number of students waive off almost 100% of the total fees. And almost 40 to 50 students actually go for partial waive off, that they apply for the need-based scholarship, but they get partial scholarship on the total program. So that's something which you don't have to worry about. You focus only on a CAT exam. There are a lot of funds which are available. Even if you look into a newly opened bank, which is IDFC First. IDFC First also gives you education loan for all the leading colleges, but at the same time they also give you a scholarship of 2 lakhs. So जो भी आपकी education fees है 2 साल की, उसमें से 2 लाख waive off हो जाएगा. And that is something what IDFC will pay back to the college. So please don't worry about it. In the description box, you'll find all the important links. Please go through it. And we wish you all the very best for this upcoming CAT exam. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's our pleasure teaching you. Thank you.